The summer Margot Elena beauty box has arrived. So if you want to see what great scents are in here, stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. My cohorts are off doing other things right now, but if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. We do all kinds of unboxings, unbaggings, get ready with me's, fun fashion, beauty, hauls, all kinds of good stuff like that. So if you're into that kind of thing, please consider hitting that subscribe button down below. It is totally free. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So Margot Elena does TokyoMilk, Library of Flowers, Infinite She, Lollia, Cottage Greenhouse, lots of different archive now. So they do lots of different scent lines, and I really love probably 98% of what I get in this box. Every now and then there is a scent that's just not for me, a little too musky, but overall, I have not had any of their scents bother me. Now, this box costs $76.94 per quarter. It includes free shipping within the contiguous United States. However, if you get an annual membership for $267.76, it does bring it down to $66.94 per box. Again, that includes the shipping. If you prefer to just get a one-time box without committing at all to a membership, it is $94.99. But again, if you choose to get it quarterly, you can always cancel after your first box, and that's going to save you a bit of money. So you could consider that. Now, oftentimes they sell out pretty quickly, so I'm not even sure if this is in stock. I know when I first subscribed, I actually had to wait a season because it was out of stock. So you can go on their website and check, but they do guarantee at least $200 worth of value in every box. And the theme is Garden Party. You get a little card. It says Celebrate Brighter Days. This is edition number 35. You get a little card and it says the value of this entire box is $203. Also, everything comes like this, so you have like a little gift to yourself because there are wrapped items. And right on top, one of my favorite Cottage Greenhouse scents, although honestly, I don't think I've met a Cottage Greenhouse scent that I don't love. This is the Carrot and Neroli Rich Shea Butter Hand Cream. I think I'm actually using this at work right now. It is in an aluminum tube. The one thing I take issue with is that it has that metal seal, and this doesn't have the little thing to poke it. So if you have like a medicine tube that has that, you can use that. You could use the scissors, but for me, I just know I'm gonna like and get my hand instead of this. So I tend to find one of those little tubes. Now sometimes they'll have them. The Infinite She seems to have it. The rest don't seem to. Now, Margot Elena is a cruelty-free brand. There are no parabens, gluten-free, and never tested on animals. And they are made in the US in Denver, Colorado. This hand cream retails for $28, which is expensive for a hand cream. I'm going to tell you, their scents are so spot on. Next, from TokyoMilk, we have a sealing wax stamp. There's usually like some kind of fun item in here. And this is a collaboration with a brand called Pardon My French. So you've got a little bit of wax in there and the sealer. And there is your seal right there. So it'll look like it's coming from, you know, royalty. And this is a $20 value. To go with that, we do have a fine note card set. I wish the seal had been that little bee though. You've got your note cards. You have a variety of different ones. Is envelopes. And they're not cards that open, they're more just postcard types. This one says from the desk of the Queen. I might have to start sending these out to work, people. when I want their attention. Yeah, they all say that. But what pretty artwork. And there's that crown that you can, those are totally lovely. Okay, everything else in here is wrapped. This, it's a weird shape. It feels like kind of glass. Maybe it's like you put in bath. Oh, no, it is a body oil, dry body oil. Ooh, never tried this scent before. So Cottage Greenhouse, lemon blooms and honey. Revitalizing lemon and a bit of honey join forces to amplify your mood. Rich in vitamin C and primed to hydrate skin, lemon adds the perfect invigorating balance to bright honeyed florals. So it's got a little pump. Ooh, that's delicious. This is a $34 value. All right, I'm going to guess that this is the perfume because it's in the shape of my TokyoMilk perfumes typically come in this shape. This is the Sonorian Bloom. It is got scents of, what is that? Petrichor, Seguro flower, agave, and red clay. I might actually have this, so I'm not going to spray it. And this retails for $50, which is kind of a great price for a perfume. Particularly, again, a perfume that is cruelty-free. Next, this is a little tin with either a body butter or maybe a candle. There's usually a candle in here. Not always, I don't think, but quite frequent. This is the TokyoMilk You're Still Irresistibly Foxy perfumed luminary with scents of citrus zest, rosewood, mimosa, and mandarin. That sounds delightful. It is. Ooh, this is so nice. And this is a $20 value. And then we have one more item. Okay, I think this is for the bath. This is the Library of Flowers Honeycomb Shower Gel. Ooh. This is an exclusive to this box and has an MSRP of $23. So while they may sell this in their store later, it is currently only available in this box. Oh, it's so fresh. I like that. Okay, so that's the box. I think it's just chock full of great items. It's hard to pick a favorite. I love everything in this box. Yeah, I'm going to say, though, it might be this. If I were to have to choose a favorite, this would be it. But, I mean, I think they're all great. Let me know down below what you would be most excited to receive out of this box. And please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully, I'll see you soon.